What's up everyone, it's John here from JJS Consulting Tech, and I'm back here with another video, but this one is an unboxing of the AMD Radeon RX 6900X. The purpose of this video, or the purpose of this unboxing, is to make sure you guys don't get finessed, or in other words, get robbed. This is to show you what to expect when you're buying a brand new AMD 6900X. So this is what it looks like all around the box. And make sure it is sealed. Well, I opened mine already, but if you're buying a brand new one, this is going to be untampered with. So open that up. And it's supposed to be a magnetic box that just snaps on. So when you open that, you are greeted with the "Welcome to the Red Team." Hey! And you get this beautiful, wonderful cardboard that tells you how many gigabytes the card has, PCIe 4 ready, and when you flip that over, you get this little pamphlet. A bunch of stuff we don't care about. Also, you get this R key. Focus. Yeah, you get this R key that you can put on your mechanical keyboard. Yeah, it's also RGB compatible. And here's the graphics card. Press that box one side. So it is very nice. I like the packaging. They get brownie points for the packaging. Also, they give you this, what is this? This is a, well, extra foam. It seems like a mouse pad that they covered it with. I guess they ran out of anti-static bags, so they just wrapped it in a mouse pad. Pretty cool. And here is the card. Don't mind my fingerprints. But you get that HDMI, and then you get 2 display ports and a USB Type-C port. And it is not that heavy. It's heavier than the Radeon 7 a little bit, but it is like more neater. And that's it. You know, another way you can make sure that you aren't finessed is by hitting that like button and hitting that subscribe button so you guys can be in tune with when I drop another video. All right. Peace.